If you're over 60 and your muscles feel weaker with each passing month, you're not imagining it. Your body is losing up to 1% of muscle mass every year, and most of that loss happens at night while you sleep. But here's the twist. You can flip that process and start rebuilding instead. All it takes is one special drink before bed, not a protein shake, not melatonin. It's something most people never think of for muscle growth. Warm tart cherry juice with added glycine. Let me explain why this works and how to make it in 30 seconds. Why this drink works and why you must try it tonight. If you've been feeling sore, stiff, or just not as strong lately, this simple drink before bed might be exactly what your body's been missing. It starts with tart cherry juice, a natural source of melatonin, which helps you fall asleep gently and stay asleep throughout the night. And that's important because deep sleep is when your body does its best healing, repairing tissue, building muscle, and restoring strength. But that's not all. Tart cherries also contain anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that calm inflammation, ease muscle tension, and support recovery after even the lightest activity. To make this drink even more effective, we combine it with glycine, a gentle amino acid that's been shown to improve sleep quality, reduce nighttime cortisol, and support the body's natural repair processes. It even helps promote collagen production, which is essential for strong joints, tendons, and muscles, especially as we age. Taken together, this calming drink becomes more than just a nighttime treat. It becomes a way to gently support your strength, your recovery, and your energy for the next day, all while you sleep. If you've noticed your muscles getting weaker, if everyday movements feel heavier than they used to, that's not just aging. It could be muscle loss, and it's more serious than many people realize. Losing muscle isn't just about strength. It affects your balance, your mobility, your independence. And once muscle starts disappearing, it gets harder to build it back, unless you take action now. But here's the good news. You can turn things around. Even after 60, 70, or beyond, your body is still capable of growth, healing, and renewal. And it doesn't take extreme workouts or complicated diets to get started. That's exactly why I created the 7-Day Senior Muscle Plan, a simple, step-by-step series to help you regain strength, boost energy, and feel confident in your body again. You'll find the link to the full series in the video description below. Every day gives you a small, doable step, from food to movement to mindset, that builds real results over time. The key is to start now, because the longer you wait, the more muscle you lose. But the sooner you start, the sooner you'll feel stronger again. Let's walk through exactly how to prepare this powerful drink. You don't need anything fancy. In fact, it's as simple as it gets and takes less than a minute to make. All you need is 1 small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice, about 100 to 150 milliliters, and optionally, a few drops of magnesium glycinate or a magnesium powder if you take it in the evening. Tart cherry juice is already packed with natural melatonin, which helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help your muscles recover and rebuild, especially at night when your body is in repair mode. Adding a magnesium supplement can give it an extra muscle-supporting boost, especially if you often deal with cramps or restlessness. When should you drink it? About 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime is ideal. Just pour it into a small glass, give it a gentle stir if you've added magnesium, and sip it slowly while you wind down. And that's it. No blending, no heating, no extra prep. Just a simple nightly ritual that helps your body do what it's designed to do, heal and strengthen while you sleep. Let's be honest. When you hear things like move more, eat more protein, sleep better, it can sound simple. But if it were that easy, everyone would already be doing it. We get tired, we get busy, we get discouraged, and if you've been feeling weak or dealing with pain, you might even wonder, is it too late for me? Let me be clear, it's never too late. Your body is always listening, and it's never stopped trying to protect you. You just need to give it what it's been asking for. So what are the real pillars of rebuilding muscle? 1. Protein-rich nutrition, especially in the morning and after light activity. You don't need to weigh or count everything. Just build meals around foods that support your muscles. 2. Gentle movement with resistance, like walking with light bands or doing simple chair exercises. It's not about lifting heavy. It's about signaling your muscles to stay alive and strong. 3. Rest and deep sleep. That's why we love drinks like Tart cherry juice, because real muscle repair happens when you're resting. 4. Stress control. Cortisol eats away at muscle mass. Just 5 quiet minutes a day can shift your body into healing mode. Now, the big question is, how do you make this part of your life? Start tiny. One drink before bed, one strength snack in the morning, one short walk after lunch, one moment to pause and breathe. Those small actions, they stack. And before you know it, you've built a new identity. Someone who protects their strength every day. You're not doing this for a six-pack. You're doing this so you can lift a grandchild, walk to the mailbox, or simply get out of bed without pain. And if you're ready to take that next step, don't forget, I created a full 7-day plan just for you. You'll find the link in the description below, and you can start right now with day 1. You're not alone. We're building strength together. Before we wrap up, I want to ask you something important. How are you really doing? Have you already taken a small step toward a stronger, more vibrant life? Maybe you're drinking more water. Maybe you tried your first protein-rich breakfast. Or maybe you're just thinking about change. And that's a powerful start. But I also want to know, where do you still need support? What's still unclear? What do you feel unsure about? I create these videos for you. And I'm always looking for better ways to help. Maybe even through a free mini ebook with short chapters on each pillar we talk about. Nutrition, movement, recovery, and stress. Would that be helpful? Let me know in the comments. Because this isn't just a channel, it's a community. We're rebuilding strength together. One step, one day at a time. And if you made it all the way to the end, I just want to say, I see you. I'm proud of you. If you found this video helpful, will you like it? And maybe subscribe so we can reach more people who need this message? Let's keep going. You're not alone. You've got this.